Ever wondered what the future holds for the Pepe token? Well, the signs are looking bullish. Recently, Pepe has been showing us some promising signals. It's been breaking free from a downward trend line, showing us that it's not afraid to defy gravity and rise above the fray. The token has been achieving higher highs, soaring above the 20-day exponential moving average, or EMA. This is a significant indicator, one that often points to a bullish trend on the horizon. But of course, it hasn't all been smooth sailing. There was an intraday drop, a minor hiccup in Pepe's journey upwards, but let's not let that cloud our perspective. This little blip is just that, a blip, a momentary lapse in an otherwise upward trajectory. Now let's talk numbers because they tell a compelling story. Over the past month, Pepe has given us a positive return of 11.90%. That's right, nearly 12% in just 1 month. Impressive, right? But hold on, it gets even better. Over the past year, Pepe has delivered a whopping 68.28% return. That's a return that would make any investor sit up and take notice. So, what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Pepe is showing us that it has the potential to be a strong player in the crypto market. It's showing us that it has the resilience to bounce back from a minor drop and continue its upward momentum. So despite the minor intraday drop, Pepe is showing substantial positive returns. The future looks bright for Pepe, and this bullish momentum could just be the beginning of a promising journey. Analysts have been watching Pepe closely, and their predictions may surprise you. There's a buzz in the air about the potential outperformance of this token. They foresee a possible surge above the 8/10 thousandths of a cent mark. That's right, you heard it here first, folks. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty of technical analysis. You see, technical analysis is a bit like reading tea leaves, except the leaves are price movements, and the teacup is a graph. Pepe shows a bullish stance, which in layman's terms means it's more likely to go up than down. Let's talk support levels. These are price levels at which we'd expect a lot of buying to happen, preventing the price from falling further. For Pepe, we're looking at 2 key support levels, 6/30 thousandths and 6/10 thousandths of a cent. If the price drops to these levels, we could see a wave of buying activity that could potentially push the price back up. On the flip side, we have resistance levels. These are the opposite of support levels, prices at which selling is expected to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. For Pepe, these stand at 7/20 thousandths and 9/10 thousandths of a cent. If the price reaches these levels, we might see some selling pressure. Now, remember, these are just predictions based on historical data and current market trends. As with any investment, there's always a degree of risk involved. But here's the exciting part. With the support and resistance levels as they are, Pepe is poised for a potentially strong performance ahead. Let's dive into the numbers that are pushing Pepe's bullish momentum. A key player in this game is the total supply of Pepe, which stands at a staggering 420.69 trillion. Now that's a number that's hard to wrap our heads around. The sheer volume of this supply demonstrates the widespread dissemination of the token, creating a broad base of potential investors. More than just a testament to popularity, this vast supply also plays a vital role in stabilizing the token's price. With such a large number of tokens in circulation, individual transactions have a smaller impact on the overall price. This can lead to more stable prices, reducing the risk of sudden price drops and making the token more attractive to cautious investors. Now, let's shift our focus to another crucial number, the volume to market cap ratio, which stands at 0.250. This ratio is a measure of trading activity relative to the size of the market. A higher ratio indicates a more active market, while a lower ratio suggests less trading activity. In the case of Pepe, a ratio of 0.250 indicates a reasonably active market. This level of activity suggests a healthy demand for the token, contributing to its bullish momentum. The total supply and volume to market cap ratio are just 2 pieces of the puzzle. However, they are significant pieces that provide insight into the market dynamics of Pepe. The vast supply ensures a broad base of potential investors, while the active trading activity signaled by the volume to market cap ratio indicates a robust demand. These impressive numbers further strengthen the bullish stance of Pepe. What does the social landscape tell us about Pepe's future? This question brings us to our final discussion point for today. The role of social influence on Pepe's bullish momentum. The social landscape for any cryptocurrency plays a crucial part in its trajectory. In the case of Pepe, we've seen a slight decline in social dominance. But what does this mean? In simple terms, it suggests that Pepe's presence in social conversations has dipped a tad. This could be due to a multitude of factors: market volatility, shifts in investor focus, or even the introduction of new players in the crypto arena. But let's not get caught up in the slight dip in social dominance, because there's another piece of the puzzle to consider. The number of followers for Pepe has seen a significant uptick. This is a positive indicator, showcasing a growing interest in this particular token. More followers often translate to more conversations, more sharing of information, and a broader awareness of the token, all of which can spark investor interest and potentially lead to increased demand. So what does this mean for Pepe's bullish momentum? Well, it's a mixed bag. The decline in social dominance might seem like a red flag at first glance, but the surge in followers paints a different picture. It's a sign of growing interest, a signal that more and more people are tuning in to understand what Pepe brings to the table. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, these social indicators can greatly impact a token's trajectory. While a decline in social dominance can be a hurdle, an increase in followers can provide the necessary push to overcome it. So, despite a minor drop in social dominance, the increase in followers indicates a growing interest in Pepe, adding to its bullish potential. Remember, the future of Pepe is still unwritten, but as of now, the signs are looking very bullish.